Namaste, I am Dr. Chetali Samant and I am a senior Ayurveda consultant in the pediatric department of Ramaiah Ayurveda. Today we are going to talk about wheezing in children or any symptoms which might look like asthma in children. So typically if the child is really small and we are not able to do the lung function tests, then any wheezing or asthma like symptoms in very young children under 3 years of age can also be called as reactive airway disease. Which is similar to asthma. So if we are not able to diagnose asthma in very young children, we call it reactive airway disease. Post-pandemic, we have seen a drastic increase in the number of patients that we see in OPD. Young children who present with asthma-like symptoms, that is breathing difficulty, wheezing, recurrent upper and lower respiratory tract infection, allergic bronchitis and so on. So wheezing is one of the most common symptoms that these children experience. Typically in conventional medicine, the approach which is taken to treat is they give inhalers or puffs which are bronchodilators, that is they help to dilate the airways, the bronchi, the airways in the lungs. So the medicines help to keep them dilated so that the child's breathing difficulty goes away. So that is one. Second is they give corticosteroids. So steroids are given to suppress the immune system, so that the allergic reactions because of which the wheezing is triggered are suppressed and the child remains symptom free. Third is they give anti-allergic medicines such as mast cell stabilizers or mast cell inhibitors, which will suppress the allergy triggering cells in our blood and thus reduce the symptoms. So many times these medicines do not give any long-term relief. They are fine to be used in emergency situations and when the child experiences extreme wheezing attacks. But a long-term treatment does not see much improvement in the symptoms, especially the seasonal increase in symptoms or symptoms which increase because of exposure to smoke or tobacco smoke or any pollution and such, or symptoms which are triggered because of any particular foods which increase the mast cell, mast cells in the body, the allergy triggering cells in the body. So if certain foods trigger it and there are allergies to foods, then these medicines fail to give long-term relief and definitely they are not a sustainable option for children. And the risk of the asthma carrying on through their teens and adulthood is very real. So this is where we recommend either parallel Ayurveda treatment in such children or exclusive Ayurveda treatment also for these symptoms is very much possible, whether it is childhood asthma or it is reactive airway disease or just wheezing in children which could be triggered because of any cold and flu like viral infections. After a very careful assessment, we do recommend Ayurveda treatments in such children. Once again, just like any other condition, we do recommend a very targeted and a very planned approach to these conditions. There is no trial and error margin in children or in any such case. So many parents are apprehensive that we don't know how much Ayurveda will work, whether we can give Ayurveda alongside allopathy medicines, won't it have any adverse reaction in children? No. So an experienced Ayurveda doctor can always help you resolve all such doubts whether the medicines that we prescribe for such conditions, whether reactive airway disease or childhood asthma, are safe enough to be given with allopathy medicines which may be existing or not, or how much gap you should give between the two medicines and whether the child will have any adverse reactions or not. Most of the times respiratory system medications or medications given for immune system don't interact with each other and can be given very safely in children. And the treatment needs to again target the severity of symptoms, whether it is wheezing or cough or runny nose or sneezing or itchy eyes, itchy ears, recurrent upper and lower respiratory tract infections, throat pain, whatever it is, needs to be addressed correctly with Ayurveda medicines, that is the symptomatic management. 2, medicines to support the immune system. Suppressing the symptoms is not an approach that Ayurveda takes at all. So we believe in strengthening the immune system, reducing the dysfunctioning of the immune system so that the allergy triggering responses and the allergic reactions, their severity as well as frequency, both can come down successfully, thus giving child good relief and sustained recovery from whether it is asthma or reactive airway disease. So that is the target of the treatment when we treat immune system. Third thing is to pay attention to stomach. So gut related issues, whether a child has constipation or does not have constipation, status of digestion and gut health is something Ayurveda pays a lot of attention to. And even research shows that there is a very definite gut-lung axis, that is, the gut health and the concentration of good bacteria in our large intestine has a definite connection with allergy responses which are shown in the respiratory system, which we call as gut-lung axis or gut pulmonary axis, because of which paying attention to the digestion of the child and making sure that the digestion and gut health are well maintained is a very crucial step in ensuring that the child can successfully come out of either childhood asthma or any kind of wheezing or reactive airway disease the child might be experiencing. Do understand that this is not a very short-term treatment. It's not a symptomatic treatment wherein we give 10-20 days of medicine and the child will be symptom-free. No. It is a continuous effort in which we teach the body to not go into a severe allergic response or a severe response which triggers symptoms for the child. So it's a learning process for the body and it's a long recovery process. So the treatment may last anywhere between 3 to 6 months or even up to 1 year, depending on what stage or what age you are bringing the child and what is the chronicity of the condition, for how long the child has been suffering from the symptoms. So based on that, the treatment can be planned. But do remember that if your child suffers from reactive airway disease or has been diagnosed with reactive airway disease, suffers from wheezing or childhood asthma, do consider Ayurveda as a long-term solution to both these issues.